video, I'm going to share with you how to memorize Chinese characters and how to write a legible version of Chinese characters with correct stroke order. Many learners may find learning stroke orders is irrelevant, as the way of using Chinese characters are becoming more and more digitalized. However, having a solid foundation in writing and writing in the correct stroke order can ensure you a smoother and more effective learning process. Let's start with the first basic 5 strokes. The first one is a horizontal stroke. 横 starting from left to right. The second one is a vertical stroke. 竖 starting from up to down. The third one is 撇 called the left falling stroke. The fourth one is 点 a dot. Lastly, 捺 which is called the right falling stroke. From this slide onwards, we are learning 6 Chinese characters in HSK1, Lesson 1. 一 This character stands for the cardinal number 1. It is just a 1 horizontal stroke. 二 stands for the cardinal number 2. This character comprises 2 horizontal strokes. The upper horizontal stroke is shorter than the lower one. 三 stands for the cardinal number 3. The upper stroke is longer than the middle one, but shorter than the bottom one. 10 stands for the cardinal number 10. It is a cross. The vertical stroke is longer than horizontal stroke. 8 stands for the cardinal number 8. It starts from the left part. 撇 left falling. To the right part. 捺 6 stands for the cardinal number 6. It starts from the top. The dot, the horizontal stroke, then the left falling, and the right falling. Thank you for watching. Hope this video can deepen your understanding on these characters. 谢谢你们的收看。